In the middle of public, this is the wrong time to do this, but I got 2 new alarms in the mail. As you can see right here, from right here, you could can't you tell that they're actually Special or Classics? I'm with Kayla right now. What's your YouTube channel's name?
Oh, I don't have one yet.
Yep.
It's P241575.
P241575. Subscribe to her. Show her a little love and support for taking me out on these power line adventures and road signs and whatnot. Okay.
I cut one in here. Don't sit on it. Not fast.
Yeah, I'm just with outside rescue. Let me put the camera down. Let me put my phone down real quick so I can get buckled up.
Okay, well, you forgot to buckle me up.
So I had to try it again. Let's see what we got.
Hey, you faster on me.
You can tell by right there. There's 2 of them. These are fixed candelas.
Where's the buckle?
As you can tell, one's I believe they're used. This one's an S2415 remote strobe, and as you can see from the bottom right here is fixed 15 candela. And get off the bubble wrap. Shit.
I'd rather not even stand it up. He forgot to get up
there. And a Special or Classic horn strobe. Wait. This is it's a Kayla, you got it wrong. The eBay seller got it wrong. It's a P241575.
Oh. Well, shit.
Yeah.
They're so cool.
Yeah, this is. I thought this was going to be a P2475, but it's a P241575. Special or Classic horn strobe.
I got her on my knee.
I'm still planning on getting my other 2 special alerts on full wave rectified, which I can't do that without a panel, or maybe I can. You can see these are the 2nd generation models. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe.